We're back here with Jeff from Triple Peak, and Jeff, we're talking the color of shingles, and that can actually, choosing a color that can help your house stay cool, maybe even hide some stains and all. And can you tell us what's out there? What can we expect? What's realistic?
Yeah.
Is there hype? I don't know.
So
is it for real?
There is some hype to it, and we were all taught in science class that darker colors will grab the heat.
That's right.
And this is true. We can take a heat gun up on the roof, and a black roof is going to be much hotter than a lighter colored roof.
Okay, so we know that's true.
That's a
that
fact.
kind of makes sense too. So,
Yep.
but tell us, so then what do people need to think about?
So
What are your experience with help working with folks?
Now what the roofing company needs to do, and what we do, is we go in your home, we're doing a consultation. We're going to go in your attic. We're going to look at your insulation. We're going to look at your ventilation.
Oh.
That is the key to picking out the color of your roof.
So you're a roofer who doesn't just get on top of a roof. You're actually getting under my roofs and taking a look at stuff first.
Yeah. We want to make sure that we have plenty of access to put in a good ventilation system. And then we're going to tell you, you're great. Pick any color that you want, because regardless of the temperature on the roof, it's what's going to come into your house that's really going to matter. And if we can ventilate it properly, and you already have great insulation up there, and we can ventilate that roof properly, it doesn't matter.
So that's the key. So then anybody can pick whatever color you really want for your roof.
Absolutely.
Don't think like I have to go white. Like, do they even make white shingles?
They do make a silver lining that's as close to white as you're going to get anymore.
And I'm sure that might work on some houses, but probably not yours. And I know not on mine either.
No,
so
not in our climate, not in the Cleveland market.
And in terms like the stains and all that, that's another issue. I mean, what are there some types of shingles out there that are better that just keeping the algae away or whatever those weird things that show up?
Great question. Certainteed is the shingle that we prefer.
Certainteed. Okay.
We are a select shingle master company, and they now have shingles that have a 25-year streak fighter warranty. What that means is this is fighting against the algae, and it's fighting against those black streaks.
Okay.
Things like that. But they're now up to 25 years that they are guaranteeing their product will not have these black
What does that
streaks.
guarantee mean, though? I see something. What gets done now?
That's another great question.
They come and take it off or replace my.
That's exactly
what
what would happen. Is if your home does start to get streaks, they actually will pay us to come out and clean your roof.
Oh, fantastic!
Or another company that might specialize.
Okay.
In that. But just never put a pressure washer on those shingles. To get rid of.
I even know that. I've heard about that. You got to blow off all the good stuff that actually protects your house, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah. But having your roof washed off every once in a while.
Good idea.
It's a good idea.
Okay.
It's not going to hurt. It's going to help in the long run. It's going to keep it nice and bright.
So that's what you can take away from this. Don't worry about the color. Get the color you want. The insulation's kind of important. And it's good to work with somebody, a roofer, that understands that and is going to get that done right. Triple Peaks might just be the one to do that.
Yeah. We understand that roofing is more than roofing.
Okay.
There's a lot of components that go into it.
Okay. Well, now you got the answer to everything, and you got somebody you might want to talk to, Jeff here. So what's your phone number?
Hey, give us a call at 440-925-0386. And even in today's climate, you can also text us.
Wow. Neato.